Are you tired of scrubbing kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, or greasy stoves with endless sprays and sponges? Well, same. That's why we tested the Steamify Pressurized Handheld Steam Cleaner, a compact and budget-friendly steam cleaner that promises to make your cleaning easier, faster, and chemical-free. And in this review, we're going to see how good it actually is. We'll cover things like steam pressure, how long it runs, how it works on different surfaces, and whether the attachments are helpful or just there for show. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with steam pressure and heat up time. Steamify says it heats up in 3 to 5 minutes. And yes, it actually does. Its internal temperature can reach up to 110 degrees Celsius, while the actual steam that comes out is around 105 degrees Celsius. It's hot enough to loosen grime and kill most surface germs, but not too hot to be dangerous or cause damage to surfaces. It handles light to medium dirt well on sliding doors or microwave ovens. Some users also mention the steam gets weaker if you use extension hoses for too long, so take note of that. Now let's talk about runtime. It lasts around 10 or more minutes on a full tank. That's okay for small tasks, but not ideal if you're trying to clean your whole bathroom or kitchen in one go. You'll need to stop, let it cool, and refill. It's not hard, but it does break your flow, especially if you're trying to clean in one stretch. Next, let's talk about what it actually cleans well. This little steamer works great on tiles, bathroom sinks, stoves, and even sofas. It's surprisingly useful for clothes too. Just attach the fabric tool, and it works like a quick clothing steamer. It's not as good as an iron, but good enough. You'll need a towel or paper to wipe after you steam, because it lifts the dirt, but it doesn't suck it up. Coming to ease of use, well, using Steamify is pretty simple. You fill the tank with water using the funnel and measuring cup that comes in the box. The safety cap takes a few turns, and it needs to be tight to avoid steam leaks. Some users mentioned steam spraying out when the cap wasn't secured properly, and that can be dangerous. So just make sure you follow the manual and wait for the pressure to drop before opening the tank. The unit is small and super lightweight of about 2.6 pounds. Even with water in it, you can easily carry it from room to room. The steam button could be better though. You have to slide it to unlock and then keep holding it down while you clean. It works, but it's not the most comfortable design for longer cleaning sessions. Let's move on to the attachments. Steamify gives you about 10 to 12 different attachments depending on the package version. You get a lot of tools in the box. Some tools are great, like the nylon brush for grout and the angled nozzle for tricky corners, but others feel a bit flimsy. For instance, the ironing brush and squeegee attachments don't lock in very tightly, and you have to keep adjusting them. Still, it's impressive to get this many accessories at this price. But the power cord is just under 10 feet long, and you can't even use an extension cord as per the manual. The water tank holds about 9.46 ounces of water. It's better to use distilled water so that minerals don't build up and clog the system over time. Noise-wise, it's quiet and not loud. You'll hear a hissing sound when the steam is coming out, but it's nothing too distracting. It's quieter than most vacuums or hair dryers. There's a safety cap that needs to cool before opening, and a trigger lock to keep kids from accidentally using it. These are helpful, but also make the process slower if you're in a hurry. As far as maintenance goes, it's easy. Just empty out leftover water, wipe the tools, and you're done. No filters or complex cleanup needed. Now, let's talk about warranty and customer support. The box says it comes with a 2-year warranty and that you can extend it to 5 years by registering online. However, a lot of buyers mentioned that the QR code doesn't work and they don't honor the warranty. But some did receive positive experiences, so it can be a hit or a miss. So is it worth buying? If you want an affordable, quick, easy way to clean small areas without chemicals, this steamer is a solid choice. You get a lot of tools in the box and it heats up fast. But it's not built for heavy-duty or all-day cleaning. And if the laptop on which you are watching video is full of dust and dirt, we have 3 best air dusters for you. Check out this video to know it all.